Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a BMW guys 3 Series. I'm talking about E90 generation, E91, 92, 93 guys. That should cover years 2005 to 2013. If you guys have BMW 3 Series and you have front and rattle noise guys, we will explain the top 3 places that we actually see that on a BMW guys 3 Series. Make sure you stay until the end. One of them is something that most of you never think about, and we'll explain where it is located. Now, before we start, if you need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that for your BMW guys, check out the links in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from guys. So you can get them for a really good price and fast shipping. That's where we get everything from. So another thing, every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, but specifically on BMW 3 Series we'll have close to 400 or 500 videos. Why we do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. So let me guys show you what we have here guys, and what I'm talking about. So this is actually 2006 2007 BMW E91, but it will be the same for all of them. This is a 4-wheel drive, so things may be a little bit different, but the concept is exactly the same for the rear wheel drive as well. Now guys, front and rattle noise. The top 3 things that we see, but sometimes will be even more than that, and I'll explain as we go guys. Number 1 reason, sway bar links. This is your sway bar link, that long thing from the sway bar all the way to the strut. What it does guys, actually, this is the stabilizing bar for your car, so it makes sure it doesn't roll on you, so it keeps the car stable, and that link always goes up and down through potholes and anything like that, and they do wear out guys. They have 2 points where they can wear out, one here, one over there, you can see. So they do get wear out, and that's the number 1 reason that we see here at the shop. Very often guys, very often, that's what we need to replace. Not very complicated, and it takes usually about less than an hour to replace both of them, so I'll definitely recommend to do that. We'll have a video how to do that as well on the channel. Number 2 guys, number 2 will be control arm bushings. If you look all the way towards the back guys, this is the control arm, all the way back there. That control arm, you will have, depending on 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive, may look different. That bushing often will go out, or the bushing underneath, right here, you can see this bushing, can go out as well. When they go out, it causes front end rattle and noise as well, but you may even have some play, and some play in the steering wheel as well. We need to replace some bushings as well, because actually when they go out, you will have more tire wear, uneven tire wear as well. So that's very, very common guys. Now, there is one reason that most of you don't think about, and I'll share that towards the end. But another thing, if you hear a front end noise rattle, it could be bad struts, ours started leaking, or the bushings right here, or the strut mounts can be bad as well. So I'll recommend new strut assembly. Don't replace the strut only, you need to replace the bushing right here. You need to replace the top mount as well, because that can cause quite a bit of trouble as well. But what is the last thing that most of you don't think about guys? It's not very often, but on higher mileage vehicles it happens. Your sway bar link, if you look at it guys, this is your sway bar link. It has 2 more bushings, one right here, on the driver's side, one on the passenger side that we actually removed. That's what the bushing looks like. When those bushings get wore out, what will happen? Actually, it will guys, it will create rattle as well, because you will have play between the sway bar and the bushing right here, and that will just create rattle. So definitely guys, those bushings will need to be replaced, and they're not too complicated on that BMW. It's one of the easiest that we've seen. Other cars are way more complicated because they're usually on the back side. These are on the front. You have to remove 2 bolts, and if you have the car jacked in the air, it makes things easier, because you will be able to move the sway bar up and down. But you can see, if you have play, that will guys develop quite a bit of noise and rattle as well. So hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure out front end noise rattle on BMW E90. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching guys, and another thing that I forgot, always check the tie rod ends, and and the control arm and right here to make sure that they don't have play and they don't have wear as well. The joints wear out sometimes and that can develop a play, but I shared with you guys the top 3 that we see here at the shop, but it could be more than that. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.